Guys, I was looking at Total Parts Pro today with 2019 Ford Ranger, stock number 6979. It's run from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. There's a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory made good tyre. Left-hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory made good tyre. Right front 18-inch factory made good tyre. Right front headlight. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen satnav stereo, steering mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.